Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky faucet in your home. A leaky faucet can be a huge annoyance. Not to mention it can waste a lot of water and increase your water bill. So let's get started. First things first, you need to turn off the water supply to the faucet. Usually, you'll find the water shut-off valve under the sink. Turn it off and then turn on the faucet to drain any remaining water in the pipes. Next, remove the handle of the faucet. This is typically done by unscrewing a small screw located on the handle. Once you've removed the handle, you should see a cartridge. Take the cartridge out and inspect it for any damage or wear. Now, it's time to replace the O-rings and washers. These are small rubber or plastic pieces that help create a seal and prevent leaks. You can find O-rings and washers at your local hardware store. Make sure you bring the old ones with you so you can match them to the new ones. Once you have the new O-rings and washers, place them in their proper locations on the cartridge. Reassemble the faucet by putting the cartridge back in place and screwing the handle back on. Finally, turn the water supply back on and turn the faucet on to test it. If you've done everything correctly, you should no longer have a leaky faucet. If the faucet is still leaking, you may need to replace the cartridge entirely. And that's it. You've successfully fixed a leaky faucet in your home. Not only have you saved yourself the annoyance of a leaky faucet, but you've also saved water and money on your water bill. Thanks for watching, and happy plumbing!